Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So for today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. If you're interested to this kind of videos, make sure to stay up until the end of this video for you to know how to create a YouTube channel. This tutorial is just going to be simple and easy to follow guys, so make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Now let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser on your laptop or your computer. And then what you need to do next is you need to have your own Google account. Why do you need your own Google account? Because through your Google account, then you can make your own YouTube channel. So first you need to make your own Google account. Once you have your own Google account, you can now start and make your own YouTube channel. So if you don't have your own Google account yet, make sure to make one. That's very simple and easy. You can go to our channel and search for the tutorial on how to make your own Google account. So once you're done with making your Google account, go and search for YouTube. So once you're there on your YouTube, log in your Google account to your YouTube. And then what you need to do next is you don't have a channel yet. You just signed into YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is go to your display picture at the top right corner, just like this, and click Create Channel. So in the Create Channel section, you will see how you will appear. So this will be your display name as a YouTube channel, and then this will be your handle. You can decide on your own what your name would be. It can't be just your Google name. You can change it to whatever you want as your YouTube channel name and your YouTube channel handle. Once you decided what your name will be, you need to add your picture. So just click upload picture and search for a picture. So let me just edit this one. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna click done. And then you're done with your name, you're done with your picture. You need to click create channel. And your channel is being processed. What you need to do next is create a new tab, open a new tab, and then open YouTube, and there you go. You now have your own channel. Once you're there, just click your channel and you can exit the other open tab. So once you're here on your channel, you can see your YouTube channel name, your YouTube channel handle. You still don't have subscribers yet and no videos. And this is your home page of your channel. And what you need to do next is click the customize channel. So in the customize channel section, you will be headed to open your YouTube Studio. So in your YouTube Studio, this is where you can personalize your insights. You can have latest news about YouTube, your analytics about your YouTube channel, and more. So just click continue. And then let me just click this OK and close this one. So now you have your channel customization page. So this is your layout page. This is where you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Just click add and you can add your own channel trailer. It's a video type. And then you can add your featured video for returning subscribers. So you don't have returning subscribers yet, but if you do have, you can click just add, and then featured section, your short videos and long videos. The next thing you need to do is your branding. So we already created our picture and we need to upload our own banner image. So you need to select your banner image. It needs to be according to the quality of YouTube banner art. So I have this picture here. So this is how to view on a desktop. This is how you view on all devices, and this is how you view it on TV. When I'm done, just click done. And then you can also upload your own watermark. It can be a picture type. What you need to do next is go to basic info. So you can have here your name. It's already there. You can edit your name also here, your handle, and you can add your own description for your channel. So you can type, this is your YouTube channel, or hi guys, um, welcome to my channel. Enjoy my videos. Thank you. So you can just add that kind of description to your channel, welcoming your new subscribers in your about section and many more. This is your channel URL. You can copy this link for you to share your YouTube channel to other people. And also, you can have your links here. You can have your Instagram. Just copy and paste your Instagram there. And you can also have your email. So once you're done, your layout, branding, and basic info, what you need to do next is just click publish, right? When you're done editing all of these, just click publish and wait for it to load since it's uploading all of your customized details. So once you're done with that, you can see changes published. You can go to channel here or just click view channel up here. And here you go. You have now your YouTube channel art, your YouTube channel picture, your YouTube channel name, all complete. So if you want to upload, just click the create video here, upload a video, and go live. And you can now start your own YouTube channel. It's really simple and easy, guys. So if you want to upload more video, just click here, upload a video, and share your channel to your other social platforms for it to be more visible and for you to have more subscribers. So the more subscribers you have and the more videos you have on your YouTube channel, the more earnings that you can have from YouTube. So the steps are just easy to follow, guys, and make sure to follow through so that you won't miss any step on creating a YouTube channel. And I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this.